did they do? Man! Really? 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 Oh, what did they do? Maybe I should have put it in the freezer. Should we put it in the freezer? Let's try. If I can't do this, I'm going to put it in the freezer. It's supposed to be 1/4 of an inch. Oh! 1/4 of an inch. Hey! Oh, that came out good. That was a good one. Hey! Okay. Ah! Ah! Not big enough to cover the whole sandwich.
It says in the recipe to use salad dressing. I'm guessing Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip is my nemesis, and it doesn't say to put it on the bread. It says to top the tomato and lettuce with it. That's what we're doing, but I'm putting a lot. Okay, how do we do this? Now they make it tricky. The recipe says it's an open-faced sandwich. I don't think people ate it open-faced. Why would you want to eat this open-faced without any mayonnaise or tomato on it? So I've got to find a way to get the top on there. If it were up to me, I would have put Miracle Whip on both slices of bread. Why am I making this? There were 2 things in this ad that caught my attention. One, I've never had liverwurst with bacon. The liverwurst I remember growing up, it was always on white bread, maybe with mayonnaise. That was it. How do I do this now? All right, you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! Hey, that wasn't too difficult. Let's eat a pickle first. It said dill pickles. It also said garnish with watercress. I couldn't find any watercress this morning. I think we should cut it in half, don't you? Oh, don't fall apart. Let's see if we can open it up, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh! Liverwurst Sandwich from 1940. I don't know. It's kind of like a BLT, but with liverwurst thrown in. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Try to hold it together. Here we go. I really like the bacon. I'm not used to liverwurst this way. It's throwing me off a little. Eat a pickle with our fingers. I have to take another bite. I'm really not sure how I feel about this. Big bite. I think I would like this much better with mayonnaise. I can taste the Miracle Whip. I don't like Miracle Whip. I will eat the whole sandwich. One more bite and we'll talk about what's coming tomorrow morning. Well, I can honestly say I have never had liverwurst this way. It's not bad. It's just different for me. I've never had tomato with liverwurst. I will eat the whole sandwich, no problem. In the text box in that vintage ad, one of the suggestions was to have fried liverwurst topped with a poached egg. That's what we're going to do tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning. "1940 poached eggs on liverwurst on an English muffin." I have no idea what eggs and liverwurst taste like. You think I would know at 66 years old? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh. English muffin. Here we go. It's very livery. Maybe I should have only made one. Oh. Maybe I'll take the liver off that one. Let's try another piece. Give it a fair shot. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Second bite is not as bad as the first. The first bite I didn't like at all. Second bite wasn't as bad. Maybe because I just wasn't ready for the liver. Let's give it another bite here. Give it a chance. Poached egg on liverwurst. You know how they say when you smell smoke, pay attention because you get used to it and you don't smell it anymore. That first bite, it is very livery, but that first bite I thought was kind of awful, and not as bad. Poached egg on liverwurst on English muffin. 1940. Much better than the first couple of bites. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.